how to make dual app using this trick. Welcome to How to Doer. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna let you know that how we can make a single app two in a single mobile, because many times we want to messenger, we want to use to WhatsApp, to Facebook or anything like this. We want to use two apps. Then how we can do? Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now just to begin the video, what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phone settings, and over there just search dual. When you search for dual, you will see many options like this. From there you have to choose this dual option. If you don't find that dual option, you can search over here for clone. In many fonts it shows with the name clone. Click on that, and after that you will see many options like this, and from there you have to choose whichever app you want to make dual. You will see a on indication over there. You can switch on and you will see that app is, it's showing not created. Click on that and voila, app is created. Now when we go to apps, we will see a dual app is over there with this type of logo. So that way we can create dual app of a single app, and we want to use on a mobile phone. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon. Don't forget to comment down below how you like this video. Bye bye for now.